Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be unboxing and reviewing a makeup brush cleaner machine which is super affordable and is super useful. If you're someone like me who owns a lot of makeup brushes and beauty blenders and you know how much time consuming and how much effort it takes to clean each and individual brushes, so that is why I have got this. All you need to do is pour water up to its maximum level and use any of your detergent, hand wash, body wash. I don't have a blush cleaner, so I'm using this Himalaya Gentle Baby wash. Just look how bad my brushes condition are, which is full buildup of makeup, concealers, powders and everything. All you need to do is just fix the brushes onto the lid according to your different brushes size, and make sure that your brushes are touching the edge of the jar, because inside the jar there is a silicone cleaner mat which helps in deep cleaning the brushes. And start the machine and wait for up to 15 minutes. I'm going to be showing you the results at the end of the video. Now let's talk about the beauty blender, because just look at the condition of this beauty blender. It's honestly so much stained, dirty and full of foundation. I'm also cleaning this in the same way. What I really like about this machine is it automatically maintains its speed level and balances by its own. I have zoomed the video for you, and check out the condition of the brush. It has cleaned out so much. It really made my beauty blender look a new one, and the brushes are also super clean and neat. I hope so this video was helpful for you. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check the description box below for the product detail.